Scrum is one of the most popular agile frameworks. It describes a set of meetings, roles, and artifacts that help teams structure and manage their work. At its heart, Scrum works by breaking large products and services into small pieces that can be completed by a cross-functional team in a short time frame called sprint. So how does Scrum work? It all starts with a vision. The product owner has the responsibility to speak with stakeholders and customers and translate their wishes into the product backlog, a prioritized list of items that the team should work on. We call these items user stories. The team can start their sprint. Sprint is a time-boxed iteration between 1 to 4 weeks maximum. The first meeting in the sprint is the sprint planning. Based on their capacity, the development team will pull the highest priorities user stories from the product's backlog into their sprint backlog. The development team will then break down these user stories into smaller tasks and discuss how they want to achieve the work. Every day, the team will meet in the daily Scrum, a short communication meeting of 15 minutes maximum. The team members will discuss quickly and transparently the progress of their work and solve any impediments that prevent them from delivering on the sprint goal. At the end of the sprint, the team invites the stakeholders to the sprint review. This is their time to showcase their potentially shippable product and get feedback on the work accomplished. The feedback will be translated to new user stories in the product's backlog. The team then will have their final meeting of the sprint, which is the sprint retrospective. They will discuss what went well, what didn't go well, and how they can improve their process in the next sprint. The cycle will start again, and the team will pick up the next priority from the product's backlog. The Scrum Master will have the responsibility to facilitate the process and to help the team perform at the highest level. This may include removing impediments, facilitating meetings, and helping the product owner refine the backlog. One activity that the Scrum team can hold during their sprint is the backlog refinement. This can happen anytime the team needs to work on their product's backlog to clarify some user stories and estimate them. The team will also create a definition of ready, a checklist that will help them define whether a user story is ready to be taken and worked on in a sprint or not. They will also create a definition of done that can be used at the end of the sprint. This definition of done will help them to have a shared understanding of what it means for work to be completed. Because Scrum teams are continuously creating only the highest priority chunks of work, it ensures that they always deliver on customer expectations and the business is assured a maximum return on investment. A lot of people think that Scrum is only for software development team, but in fact, the Scrum values, principles, and lessons can be applied to all kinds of teamwork. And organizations that have adopted the Scrum framework have experienced many benefits, such as faster innovation, higher productivity, better quality products, a reduced time to market, better team dynamics, and increased employees' happiness. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel to receive more videos on this topic. Thank you.